The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan nearshore and open waters to mid-lake from Port Washington, Wisconsin to Wind Point, Wisconsin until 11:50 a.m. At 10:50 a.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing winds 34 knots or greater and large hail, located 10 nautical miles west of Milwaukee, moving northeast at 15 knots. The severe thunderstorm will be near North Point Lighthouse around 11 a.m. As this thunderstorm moves over the water, boaters can expect gusty winds and high waves. Move to safe harbor or stay close to shore until the storm passes.